Want the character in 3D in One Piece Bounty Rush but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to turn the character to 3D in One Piece Bounty Rush. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the character or exchange button which is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now select the character that you want to turn into 3D. Choose the 3D to 2D icon which is beside the character's name. And that's how you can turn the character to 3D in One Piece Bounty Rush. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.